Hello everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PatPat. We click on settings, then we click on apps, default apps, app settings, then we will search about PatPat app and we click here in this window. After that we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.